Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I'm Hazel from HandE.family, and today I'll be showing you the basics in Scratch. So let's go. So what Scratch is it is a programming game. So remember this, you don't have to type in or get any Scratch. You just put scratch.mit.edu. And let's go. So this is the stage, this is a code palette, and this is a block palette. First, let's get a when green flag is clicked block. Now let's get a move 10 steps block. Let's change it to 40 steps for this little guy. This is the sprites, and this aka characters, of course. Now I'm going to go to say hello for 2 seconds. Let's say hi. Hi. And now let's run it. Hi. The cat said hi. And you can do many other things. Like you can start sound. Meow. I did it. That's so fun. You can do many other things, like you can do wherever. And let's try it. That's crazy. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out my channel for more Scratch content. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!